Welcome to our first episode of IPR at a glance on the topic Journey of Filing a Trademark. In this video, we will talk about the trademark registration, its uses, and the registration process. So, let's begin. In today's fast moving world, there are countless organizations, associations, and brands that are well established in the business world, and there are many more who are queued to enter the market. But is it possible to represent your company or a brand as a legal and known status? Well, yes. It can be possible by enrolling a name, logo, or symbol of your brand or firm through the trademark registration. So, what is trademark? A mark that can be considered as a unique symbol, word, phrase, design, and logo to identify a particular company or its goods and services. And when a particular mark is registered under the trademark registration, only then a company or a brand has the right to represent their own company as a legal status and its different products for business as long as it remains active in the market. For example, trademark are Apple, McDonald's, Nike, Audi, and many more. How can trademark be useful? After trademark registration of any company or brand, the owner has a legal right to prevent their mark, product, and services from being duplicated by their competitors. It also helps to raise and protect their goodwill. Who can apply for trademark? Any person, be it an individual company, proprietor, or private limited claiming to be owner of a trademark can apply. But before applying for trademark, you have to understand the framework of trademark registration process. The first step is the trademark search. Trademark search helps you to know if there are similar trademarks available in the market, and it gives you a fair picture of where your trademark stands. Sometimes it also gives you a forewarning of the possibility of trademark litigation. The next step is filing the trademark application. When you get assured that your chosen brand name or logo is not listed, then your next step is to file a trademark application at the Trademark Registry of India. According to various classes, you can register your brand name or logo depending on your goods and services. After a trademark application is filed, it is examined by the examiner for any discrepancies under Section 9 and Section 11 of Trademark Act 1999. The examination might take around 2 to 6 months. If accepted unconditionally, the trademark gets published in the Trademark Journal. If not accepted unconditionally, the conditions to be fulfilled or the objections would be mentioned in the examination report, and a month's time would be given to fulfill the condition or response to the objections. Once the response is accepted, the trademark is registered. If the response is not accepted, one can request for hearing. If in the hearing the examiner feels the trademark can be allowed for registering, it can be further proceeded for publication, or in other case it can be refused. Publication is the process that takes place after the examination. The step of publication is incorporated in the trademark registration process so that anyone who objects to the registering of trademark has the opportunity to oppose the same. If there are no oppositions after 4 months from the date of publication, the trademark proceeds for registration. In case there is an opposition, there is a fair hearing and the final decision is given by the registrar. When publication period is completed and there are no oppositions, the registration certificate is issued. The trademark can be further renewed after a tenure of 10 years, protecting your logo, brand name, registration perpetually. Before we end, let us take a quick look at the various signs of trademark. Using the trademark symbol after a logo or phrase alerts competitors that you have claimed this symbol or phrase as your own. Only trademarks that have been officially granted by the Trademark Office can use this symbol, which stands for a registered trademark. Companies that sell services have the option to use the service mark logo. That was all from our end on the journey of applying a trademark. So quickly grab the opportunity to identify your company, association, or the brand through the trademark registration. So stay tuned with us to get more information with upcoming episodes of IPR at a glance.